Peace be unto all the listeners and viewers of ALHISAB TV. And Assalamou Alaikoum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Once again, I'm Adam Ibrahim from Nigeria. As you can see from the screen, here is an announcement of starting new geomantic course. We will start teaching how to spread your chart, how to read your geomancy, and this geomancy is the answer to any sort of question that you don't know. Inshallah, we will start giving lecture on this coming Monday, that is 24th September, November 2022. Inshallah, we will start by this coming Monday 21st. Inshallah, the lecture will come each and every day except 2 days of the week. So if you want to be a partner, you can call or contact us through this number, or you can WhatsApp us through +234 H147274735. You can join us from everywhere you are. You can join us. Inshallah, the course will take place on WhatsApp, and inshallah you will be happy by being expert. You will become an expert in geomantic reading. Masalam. Announcer Adam Ibrahim.